Want to make a group audio or video call on WhatsApp but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to make group calls on WhatsApp. Now let's get started. There are two different ways to start a WhatsApp group call. The first way is to start a call within a group chat. If you have an existing group chat and want to call all the members of that group, open your group chat and tap the video camera icon to make a group video call, or the phone icon to make a group audio call. Then tap Call Group. You can have up to 32 people total in a group call at once. The other way to start a group call on WhatsApp is to start out by calling one person and then add the other people into your call. To do this, tap Calls. Then tap the plus sign at the top. Tap the name of the contact you want to call. Then tap the video camera to start a video call, or the phone icon to start a voice call. Once they answer your call, tap the Add Person icon in the top right corner. Select a contact you want to add to your call, then tap Add. Repeat this process to add everyone you want to include in your group call. You can have up to 32 people total in your group call at once. That's all it takes to make group calls on WhatsApp. Another useful tool for WhatsApp groups are polls. Check out our video on how to run polls on WhatsApp next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.